Hey guys, GamerJackal97 here. Gonna record some Battlefield 4 gameplay like I promised. This video is gonna be very long. I don't know if I'll be able to join into a server, but if I can, I will try. I'm in a party right now with my friends, so sorry if it seems like I'm talking to someone else, because I am. Yes, I am actually recording a video. Yeah. Oh, thank God. I love these kind of servers. They actually allow everything. What? Devil's Cartel, yeah, I have that. Just, that's only a 2-player game, even online. Is he not aware of that? Who? Never heard of that guy. I don't have Minecraft. It's not mine. Otherwise, I would not mind, actually. Yeah, Minecraft is not mine. It's actually my little brother's. And even though he's not playing on the game, he can tell me no to, playing it. And I would understand that, because it's his game. Oh, crap. Alright, I'm gonna be very quiet because I'm gonna try and focus on this game. I have 2 subscribers. Orange shirt. The only reason anyone's actually viewed my videos is because I put them on Google+. Otherwise, I probably would. We're trying to hold the enemy at the freaking base, dude. Wow, this guy was a freaking idiot, dude. I'm moved up on the enemy base area. Wait. The hell? It's the enemy base?
Listen up! Enemy machine gunner, due north of where you are!
How in the hell? Oh, well, I guess I was wrong. There was a guy near our spawn point, apparently, watching guard, and he's just watching the left hallway, knowing there's a right hallway, but just ignoring the right way. And that just come up behind him and just put a few bullets into his head and a few into his back. Alright. I'm gonna fair warn you though, if he gets rude, snotty, or anything, I will not hesitate to snap back. Yeah. Besides, when have I not done that? Oh, Gunner Jekyll 97. It'll have a weird looking row. Just use my gamer tag. Go into party chat and just use my gamer tag. That's what it is. I've used Gunner Jekyll 97 for a lot of things. Yeah, I play a lot of that. I will not lie. But yeah, each of those videos take a long time to load. The longest I record my videos is an hour, because that's as much my game can take. Well, not my game. My phone can take. And yes, I'm recording this on my phone. That's pretty bad, right?
There's your med kit.
But yeah, dude, but though I'm not gonna lie, Rainbow Six Siege. By the way, do you still have that game? Do you still have that? Rainbow Six Siege, Vegas 2. Because that's not a bad game, dude. You downloaded it a while back. I just want to know if you still have it. Yeah, Las Vegas 2. Well, I don't want you doing that, dude, because that would be nonsense. Besides, Nova Cartel is definitely worth keeping, dude. I still have mine. 5 discs, so. Dude, I am not doing very well this match. I usually do pretty good. What mission are you on? Hey, just a minute. Excuse the noise in the background, guys. There's a bunch of kids out in the living room having a little sleepover. Why? I don't worry, my little brother's the same way. So yeah, I understand. Yeah, if there's not something ridiculous or funny happening, they usually don't like watching stuff like that. So yeah, it's okay, dude. I'm not mad. I mean, the only people I really want watching it, right now, because until I get more people, is my friend, because then he can actually tell me what I'm doing wrong and stuff like that, and he takes serious videos pretty good. And tell your little brother there are funny moments, but I'm a very serious man, so he's not gonna find these hilarious, oh my god, I'm gonna do something stupid thing. I'm gonna take the game very seriously. Oh shit. I'm not doing very good this match. Terraria? Oh. Is your little brother still playing with you, or just Sunday? Well, hey, you should check out my channel, dude, because I know you actually like serious things. God, I'm getting my ass murdered, dude. I'm usually the one that does the freaking killing. I'm not exaggerating, I usually am. I gotta fully update it too. I don't work until 8 in the morning tomorrow, so I can stay up a few extra hours. God damn it. Yeah, I'm getting my ass wrecked on here. Holy shit. Honest truth, I need to see how many deaths I have. This is bad. Crap. Scoreboard. I have 10 deaths, 9 kills. Okay, that's not as bad as I thought. I thought I was doing a bad, like really bad. Just found out I'm not actually doing as bad as I thought. You know, like, for people who haven't played in a long time or lost their edge, getting about 10 kills is actually not that bad. Battlefield. No, I'm playing Battlefield. Yeah, right? Especially with how hard the multiplayer is. But yeah, if I ever get the game updated, I will play some Defiance with you. Like, after this video, if I can make it about 20 minutes, even though I doubt that because these matches are scheduled for an hour of gameplay, and you cut them half. So if the game ends soon, and the other match is not as long as I think it is, then, yeah, I could do some Defiance. But at the same time, if I have time to update my game and upload this video, then I'll have more time to record Defiance. What game? Why, is it boring to you? Let's see, who's this guy? What's this guy's name? Rorik 99. Everyone give Rorik 99 applause. We did the teabag dance together in the elevator. I can't find many people who are actually willing to do that without looking like idiots. Although that is an idiot dance. Oh shit! Oh, I was like halfway, I think. Still, not bad, dude. I wouldn't do it. Chaos. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry about that, guys. I was dealing with the kids' misbehavior. As you can hear the crying in the background. I'm not going to tell you what it was, but... oh my goodness. Kids misbehaving. Alright, I'm back, man. Sorry, kids are misbehaving. I don't mean, you know, they're acting all bad and stuff. I mean just something... ugh. Knock some heads together. Who? Chaos? Yeah. But I haven't heard anything from him in like a long time, dude. Like, I think no, I think he actually deleted it. Yeah. Nope, he wasn't. Ah, crap. You know, I thought I killed both of these enemies. Well, apparently there was a third one I already shot that the bullet went through, and he's just sitting there like, "Hello," and then, you know, I put my gun down like, "Okay, I killed them both." And then the third guy just starts laying bullets at me. I'm like, "Ah, oh, motherfucker." I didn't say he did. I said I think he did. But even so, Argo was disbanded, Togu was disbanded, Dreads are the only thing I'm in control of right now. I am not controlling 3 different clans, dude. Sorry, I was asked why I wouldn't control 3 different clans. I'm sorry. 3? Why did I just combine them all in the one that, like the one I already had? Huh. Yes, we control A. Which I will not lie, I'm not doing very good on this. But at the same time, like I said, I have more than 10 kills, so that's actually pretty much not bad.
Here's your man.
Dude, I never knew there was an area over here for people. Actually, it's a very fun game. Basically, it's a 2D game where you're in prison and you're, the main mission, the main goal is to escape. And actually, I heard it's not really a bad game. You know, not something I would play because I'm into actual strategy, but I heard it's actually pretty much one of the best games that some people play. And you know, I wouldn't doubt it. You have to use your mind, your skill, and your brain to escape. Oh, never mind. Oh shit! Yeah? Yeah?
Here's your med kit. Go get it.
Wait, did you get Battlefield 4? Oh, nice, dude. I'm not gonna listen to achievements, you know that. So.
Here's your med. Pick it up.
Well, you know that's something I'm willing to play with you because I definitely got that game and I enjoy it. Borderlands 1 and 2, both on disc. Well, you haven't, but I'm willing to listen now. Don't worry.
Enemy machine gun. Find
Yeah. Yeah, that's not always a good thing. Yeah, dude, that's not. That bad. Imagine getting banned.
grenade. Out. Get cover grenade. Oh, they light me up. We're taking objective
Oh shit. The iridium stuff? Come on. And you're just like, what the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, stop real quick, stop real quick. Alright guys, I'm gonna record some more gameplay some other time. I'm gonna update a game so I can play with my friend. In the meantime, I'll upload this, and if there's enough time, I am going to upload some gameplay of me and him. And I hope you guys enjoy. I will talk at you all later. Oh, let's see. Ah. Oh, I'm so close. So close. Alright, talk to you guys later. Enjoy.